Hello, lovely family and friends. A warm welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great by God's grace. So today, I am going to be frying some kelewele. Okay, kelewele. Adi was mami fa. Adi was mami ye. Kelewele, kelewele. Odia ye meduru. Hey, we love kelewele in Ghana. Let's do this. Here are the ingredients we'll be needing for this simple recipe. We have some plantain, garlic, ginger. We have some dry chilies. You can use fresh chilies. It gives it very nice aromatic aroma. Aromatic aroma. Yeah. So I've listed all the ingredients for you. Okay. So you see, it will also be in the description box. We'll put all these together and blend. Just so you know, this is what I call kelewele, this thing that we are blending, because without it, there is no kelewele, in my opinion. Okay, so the spices is what makes kelewele. So if your spices are not good, doesn't taste good, it means your kelewele is just going to be bland plantain. So your spices has to be top notch, and this is one of the top notch spices out there for kelewele. This combo. So yeah, save it for your kelewele and thank me later. For the chilies or the meko or the pepper, no, that one is up to you. How much spicy you want your kelewele, no, it is all your choice. Okay, me, I have some girl be in my house these days. Why no one say, mommy, the pepper is too much. The pepper is too much. Me too. I'm not going to cook ebiani, you know. I won't cook twice. Just one food now. When you're lucky, na me koni and yeah, you eat it like that. So I reduce the pepper small so that she can eat some. You see, but you can increase it so that it's very spicy. Right. So this is the plantain. This is how I cut my plantain. When it's super soft, what you need to do is to cut it like bigger. Like this one is super soft. So you see, say the cutting is a bit bigger. And I'm a boy. Yeah. So what you do is once you finish cutting your plantain, you add your spices to it and then salt. The salt is to your taste, and also you can add your salt to the spices. Okay. Either way, it all still works. You cover it and you let it sit. You let it marinate for about 30 minutes, okay? Me, it went on for like an hour or so because I was blending and doing all other things, frying yam. It was actually dinner. This was dinner for us with yam and chofi and fish. And so many things were going on that day. So it stayed in longer. So you heat your oil and then you add your plantain to it, okay, and then you fry. And you now, when you see the color, no, you know, you see that this plantain, no, it's on another level. It was good, very, very good. Okay, so you fry it until it's golden brown, or it is your preferred color. Some people like it a bit darker, but I have fussy people in my house. I don't like it darker. And I also have fussy people in my house, so I always try, my cooking has to be top notch. Otherwise, the criticism, to me, it's not constructive. Their criticism is not constructive. So I don't want to subject myself to any heartache. Fine, mom, I'm not worry me be here. And no, decided to me warm. So yeah, that is it done. Very easy. And then you serve it with this beautiful I'm going to be sharing this Nkatie recipe with you in the next video. Just say like the following day, no, as you are watching this tomorrow, this one will come out. So stay tuned and make sure to watch that video. It's very easy and the granite is delicious. While I hear the crunch.
Can I try one? That's how one you bit over there.
Your hand is
the one that you bit.
So your hand is my video.
I